Hello mga kamamshis! Andito na naman po tayo para magbigay ng 10 tips. Ang ibibigay ko po ngayong tips is all about benefits of financial literacy. Wow! Tip number 1, better money management. You learn how to budget and control spending. Number 2, avoiding debt traps. Helps you use credit wisely and prevent overspending. Number 3, building savings. Encourages consistent saving for goals and emergencies. Number 4, smart investing. Guides you to grow wealth through proper investments. Number 5, financial security. Protects you from unexpected expenses and crises. Number 6, retirement readiness. Prepares you for a comfortable life after work. Number 7, informed decisions. Gives confidence when handling financial products. Number 8, peace of mind. Reduces stress by knowing how to manage money wisely. Number 9, generational wealth. Allows you to pass on the financial knowledge and stability. Number 10, achieving goals. Makes it easier to reach dreams like education, travel, or owning a home. Thank you for watching. See you on my next tips. Bye-bye, mga kamamshis!